Alright, so I ruined my neighbor's driveway, but this thing's gonzo. This mess. Cut all these, you know, never have extra connectors and shit. Look how high this is.
How they don't. I was like, do you guys not?
How are we gonna get that on there? And the tank's hanging out too.
Like, we don't even need ramps. Like,
So I'm gonna try and set it up and see how this goes. It's probably gonna fall for sure, but I don't give a flying shit about the driveway or the car. So let's just hope we can get this on.
We grab a corner.
We jack up the front. Take out these two sides, drop it so it's on the ground, so the back's like elevated up.
Oh, so you're saying this is on the ground and that side's way high up.
Power up that side.
Yeah, I'm saying we all grab a corner.
Yeah,
I'll probably do it.
Oh,
Easy.
You throw you back.
That's easy. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Now.
Oh shit, the tires.
Oh! Here, you can put it down. I don't think we really gained any height on the back end.
Yeah, no, the tires are there.
I say, one jack stand's not touching anything anymore. So watch out.
Oh.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
Well, it's not touching, so
yeah,
what is
but
it
the
not?
other one, you don't want to hit that one. It's both not touching all together.
Gas tank out.
Yeah.
Anybody needs a gas tank?
Anybody need gas?
You want a hand?
It's just sloshing.
I have a whole lot of gas on it.
Gas man, gas man.
It's you and only you. It's you and only you. It's you and only you. It's you and only
All right, you ready? Fuck.
That sucks. Lift.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go! Go!
Alright,
Stop!
stop. Park.
No hits here. You gotta fucking up. I'm not gonna lie.
What did you do, Kyle?
I couldn't. Well, you guys didn't lift up high enough to get on that.
You didn't tell us to lift higher.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta say things. You don't just go, and then.
Well, now we can
Construction
lift
manager.
push this
Yeah. I'm saying now it's one that's
You
here.
go
that's
jack.
what it
You
says.
could jack it up, and then.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, up!
Okay, good.
Down!
Fire. Fire! Okay.
You guys trust that to hold that.
This isn't broken.
This is the, like the
doesn't
third
broken.
time these have done this. This is the third time that these exact ones have done it, and they're broken.
Every time.
Hey.
now what do we do? See, it's cracked. Both of them's cracked. Don't worry about that. You be the eyes in the sky, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Push, push, push. Up, higher.
Okay, put it down. Put it down.
Higher bit. You're good. Push.
Ah! Oh, she's going off. She's going off.
Lower it.
Go down. That reaction. Ah!
Can we pull it this way?
Yeah,
probably.
Oh.
What the fuck is? Oh,
It's on the thing, isn't it?
so we gotta lift this side.
3 spectators on this.
How many places can we grab this
And
thing?
the whole back end!
3, 2, 1, up.
Wait. Up higher. Go.
Wow, we're like 14.
Oh!
Up.
Well,
No!
I was gonna reuse that. people on this side to lift it up, and then we got.
Oh my god. Can we push it that way now?
I'm getting
Never tried
oil.
that.
You got an
What?
oil leak. I'm getting an oil.
Where's my phone?
Oh, yes, it's that! Yes, it's that! No! Another phone.
Alright, where's the other one?
Yeah, if I would install my phone to be honest.
What do you mean? Look at the one to break your phone. Nothing's gonna snap too.
Oh, no, we know it's already, isn't it?
Okay, take that one out, guys.
Recovery mission.
Alright. It's pushed over, so now we just need to.
Yeah, push it back.
Right here.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Stop!
Crazy! Crazy!
It's nothing.
Higher! Up, and then! Okay, you can let
Oh, that's crazy, Pat! F***ing lift!
We need to go more this way, right?
Okay, all together. 1, 2,
3.
Easy! Crazy!
That's crazy, Town Pat! Never done this
I was
before!
like literally so close to getting pinched in between the Integra and the.
He's been trying to throw it on the ground every single time we're legit.
Let's go, dude!
That way, yeah. Because the straps.
Up, we just push.
Yeah.
More?
A little bit more.
Oh, that's good.
There she goes. Managed to fit an engine, the trans, bunch of rotors inside the Accord trunk. But it's at the scrapyard now. Let's see how much we get for this. So we got back. After everything's 366 pounds, we got for the rotors $8 almost, $5 for the starter, and for the whole engine we got $42, leaving us with a whole $55, bro. I don't even know if that was really worth it, but whatever. $55 is out of the backyard, I guess. We got our space back in front of the Teggy, so that's mint. We're ready to drop it in. Like, I just need the mouse still, and then we're good to go, honestly.